Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Brad with Brad Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing a crystal that you viewers actually voted on if you're part of my Facebook page. Put a poll up the other day asking which piece would you like to see, and the winner of that is the Enchanted Rose from the classic Disney movie Beauty and the Beast. So we'll get right into this. Again, as I've always said, favorite thing about Swarovski is that double boxing. Like I said, I like to use the outside of the box to label my date I purchased as well as where I got it at. Then we have our nice large internal box. Has our little warning as well as the warranty. A lot of people in the collector world, we actually view this as more of like the certificate of authenticity, even though it does not state that is what it is, but you'll find most of us collectors like to make sure our pieces still have these, as it is an item that came in the original packaging. Pull out the foam piece. Let me get the gloves on. So interestingly enough, this has actually been released in two different versions. In 2017, when the live action version of Beauty and the Beast came out, Swarovski created two pieces. One of them was a limited edition piece, and then the other one was the piece that I have. The limited edition piece was only made 350 times, so it is very rare. Each one of those are individually numbered, and last time I checked eBay to see if I could score one, the price tag for one in the single digit numbering was about $50,000 or more. But that's not the one I have. I have the other one that they released at the same time, which looks exactly like the limited edition. The only difference is that the bell-shaped crystal outside doesn't have any of the etching on it like the limited edition does. Plus the bell has additional 2 layers here. So here's the piece. As I said, it does come in 2 pieces. You have your clear crystal outside bell, and then inside you have the single rose in green and beautiful red colors on a clear crystal base. I'm glad that when Swarovski designed this that they didn't actually try to make it look like the rose petals had all fallen or try to capture that. I know looking at other pieces, ones on Etsy, people have normally some petals down here on the ground. But for me, I like the clean look of this one. It's very, I guess, reminiscent of the movie before the petals started to fall. Now we're gonna go to our up close video. Alright, so here it is, the up close video with the bell on. I'll also show video with the outside bell off. So, a romantic gift idea and a must for Disney collectors. This is an authentic, detailed representation of the iconic rose in the movie Beauty and the Beast. Elegantly displayed inside a high-quality, mouth-blown glass bell jar, the rose is exquisitely crafted in red and green crystal with a clear crystal base, giving it a total of 223 sparkling facets. And here's the video with the bell off of it, so you can see up close, see all the facets. It's really interesting that in this tiny of a piece, they were able to get those 223 facets. As you can see, there aren't any on the stems, but on the leaves as well as the flower petals and the base, there are some of those facets. And what's easy to see in this video as well is that you can see the Swarovski logo, as well as the Disney trademark on it, so that way you know that this is a authentic piece from Swarovski. But I just like how it captures the light even when the bell's on. It's just a very beautiful, iconic piece from a movie that I would have to probably say is one of my favorite. Here again is the piece. Again, this is the Disney Enchanted Rose from the Disney movie Beauty and the Beast. This piece was actually a gift to me from my husband, just because he knows I'm a big fan of Disney pieces. This was kind of I saw it, thought of you, and wanted to get it for you. But I definitely like how the detail, they even have the thorns on there as well. I'm just noticing that looking up close in person now. But we'll go and put that away. Alright, well, thank you for coming and watching my video. I hope that you watch all the other videos on my channel. Please make sure to write any of your comments below, as well as like the video and to subscribe to the channel so that way you get notified when I post new videos. Also, as I did say before, I do have a Facebook page. It is Brad Unboxing as well, where I will be doing polls on there, as well as sharing videos from YouTube. Thank you again. This is Brad with Brad Unboxing.